This TRQ O2 oxygen sensor is engineered as a direct replacement, so it fits correctly in place of the original part on many Buick, Oldsmobile, Chevrolet, GMC, and Isuzu models without modification. The sensor helps the engine management system maintain an efficient air and fuel mixture, which can improve fuel economy, throttle response, and overall drivability when the old sensor has degraded. Build quality feels solid with a sturdy housing and well-formed threads, giving confidence that it will seal properly and withstand the heat and vibration of the exhaust system over time. The wiring pigtail and connector are designed to match factory specifications, making the electrical hookup straightforward and minimizing the chance of wiring errors during installation. TRQ backs this sensor with extensive online installation videos and guidance, which is especially helpful for do-it-yourself owners tackling an oxygen sensor replacement for the first time. The broad list of cross-reference part numbers and compatibility information makes it easier to verify that this sensor matches the original equipment and reduces the risk of ordering the wrong part.